Norway to me is mountains. Mountains upon mountains of memories. Memories meshed across vast green valleys. Memories sheltering beneath sky-high rock walls. And memories silhouetted on distant ridges. But before the memories, in the red house on the south coast, the mountains were mere mysteries, only to be found in the books and stories of my early childhood. My dad, however, would soon make those books come alive. A carpenter of trade, a family man with a knack for veteran vehicles, he combined all his passions to put us on the road. It took the shape of a locally built red bus from 1972, one that he remodeled and fitted with small bunk beds for all us siblings. And off we went. From the coast up the valleys and whirring up the winding hairpin roads, we drove and hiked the wide stretches of Norway for years. My books had come alive in front of my wide young eyes. But what I didn't learn until much later was that my own family story also had been written in these mountains. My grandma's brother once held sheep on these wide, vast stretches of highland. And in her youth, she took part in the gatherings, seeing thousands of sheep gathered by shepherds and their dogs. And about sheep and their weather-worn wool, my grandma is well versed. She took up the craft of knitting at the age of 5, taught by a widow that lived in their attic. The skill traveled down the family tree, and my mom has taken on knitting as the same cure for restless hands that my grandma did. There's something meditative about seeing her knitting in her chair and seeing the wide and varied expression of her lifelong skill and innate creativity. It was those same hands and the same old skill that kept us warm through the winters when we grew up. When I see her knitting, I see a red thread, winding its way back through a historic mountainscape, scattered with sheep, a childhood of cold winters and mountainous family adventures, back through the tapping knitting needles of generations, stretching back into the mist of Norwegian history, across mountains of memories and the mysteries of life and legacy, winds and weather, honor and heritage.
Red the moon will turn, red the sun will burn, may your side break wide, flood the curse, cross the naked plains, we've come to trade
You watched all the way to the end. Thank you. Let's make a deal. You hit the like button, that's for us, to help us spread this video. Then you subscribe, that's for you, so you can hang out around this channel as it is growing. One of the things you're going to be able to see if you subscribe is the behind the scenes material for this video. As you subscribe, you should also hit the bell icon. If you hit the bell icon, you're going to get a notification each time we publish something. So like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and then you have officially joined. And I think you're going to enjoy it. See you later. Thanks again for watching.